Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming eligibility and launching the process. Make sure your iPhone is updated and Apple Wallet is enabled. You need a verified Wise account with 2FA. Once signed into the Wise app, tap the Cards or Wallet section and choose Add to Apple Wallet. If prompted, allow Wise to access necessary permissions for verification. This first step initiates the secure token exchange between Wise and Apple. Doing it now avoids back-and-forth verification later. You now complete Wise's verification flow required for Apple Pay. You may be asked for a photo ID and a live selfie. Provide accurate documents and steady lighting. Next, select an existing Wise card or create a virtual one because Apple Wallet requires a card token. Once you request the card, follow the activation prompts in Wise and then tap Add to Apple Wallet. The app exchanges a secure token with Apple. This step binds the card token to your device for contactless use. You finish by adding the issued Wise card to Apple Wallet and completing device verification. Tap Add to Apple Wallet, accept the terms, and verify via SMS code or in an app authentication challenge. Make sure you use the same phone number tied to Wise. Once added, set the card as default if desired and confirm contactless payments are enabled in wallet settings. If something fails, restart your phone, re-authenticate in the Wise app, and then retry. If issues persist, contact Wise support for token provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.